Our world relies on lithium-ion batteries. Even if we don't always see them. And battery management software is essential for keeping batteries healthy, safe, and performing optimally. Qnovo's cutting-edge software optimizes charging, decreasing charge time while extending battery life. It monitors the health of each individual cell within the battery pack and predicts faults before they happen with a 98.7% accuracy rate. Our software can differentiate routine maintenance needs from critical safety risks with exceptional precision. If an urgent problem is detected, the software can take direct action, such as slowing or stopping charging, to ensure safety. By extending the useful lives of batteries, Qnovo software reduces waste while decreasing demand for mined raw materials. And by preparing batteries for a second life in energy storage systems, Qnovo extends these benefits even further. S&P Global forecasts that lithium-ion battery usage will double in the next 5 years. Safety, performance, and longevity. Our world needs batteries, and batteries need Qnovo.